heading home. Everybody's ready to go home. Welcome to Virginia. Virginia is for lovers.
Back there.
Well, our first traffic. On the way back home, yep. Yep, on the way back home. Going back to the tunnel. Alright, so we did a quick pit stop at Crafty Crab to get us 2 seafood boils. Hopefully this goes good, as this is a new one. So here it is. That's the now open. Alright, so we've already went into the bathroom to kind of get like refreshed. We still have about, I think, maybe like an hour to get until we get back home. We are really cramped up in the car. If only you guys could see what the trunk looks like. I can kind of show you guys what the back seats look like. Yeah, like the kids are cramped up. Sky is tired. Everybody's tired. Charles has to go back to work tomorrow. So, yeah. We're all gonna try to go home and get laundry done, and then see what happens from there. Finally made it to our exit. Okay, so we stopped at Crafty Crab, just like we did when we came back from Maryland. And we got seafood boils. They come like this. Get ready to take it out of this bag. If you're new here, let me just tell you, it has been a whirlwind spin of a week. We are just now getting back from vacation as of yesterday. So we went on vacation from Sunday until Friday. Now I'm just trying to get back in the swing of things. My hair is a mess. I did get in the pool, and we did go out onto the beach twice while we were there. And yeah, you guys can tell I tried to wash it. The shower that we had at the hotel was just not hair washing material. Anyways, I'm at home currently. It is now Saturday. I am getting ready to bust these clothes down that we washed. We literally came home and threw everything in the washer yesterday. I still have a load going, if you can hear that. So I need to throw those in the dryer before I get ready to leave. I'm gonna get ready to go down and visit my mom. And yeah, we're just gonna ride down there, and then I'm gonna grab some food while I'm down there, so I'll take you guys along the ride for that. And then yeah, we will be heading on back here, and yeah, and then I'll be cleaning up some more. So stay tuned for today's vlog, as today's vlog is just strictly a day in my life. So now that I'm fully dressed, I want to go ahead and get my teeth brushed and do something with my hair. So for today, I decided to go ahead and use some locking and coconut curls, as well as her natural inches and some oil moisturizer. My hair gets dry so fast that I always feel that I have to have something in it. So I went ahead and did the inches to my scalp because I do want it to grow. You guys can buy that from www.hernatural.com. I also use the pink oil moisturizer just to give it some type of moisturize. And then I took the braid out that I had from when we came back from the beach, and I just did the locking curls moisturizer so that the curls stayed in after taking the braid down. So yeah, I'm ready to take on the day. Love having her natural inches in, because I do want my hair to grow even though it's long. And then I have some curl activator cream on my ends because my hair has already been braided up the last 2 days. And yeah, I just needed some pink oil moisturizer to kind of slap down the actual hair. So let's go take on the day. Alright, so I am in the car now, and it's AC. It's 87 degrees it says, but I'm sure it's more than that. I'm gonna head over to pick up my grandmother first. I'm not sure if I should take my mom some Bodos or not, but she can get it herself. So, I'm breaking out. I need to wash my face. So much oils and stuff. But anyways, yeah. Listening to some music in AC, just driving. Hopefully, won't take us long. But I can't wait for you guys to see the place that I picked out to get some food from today. Here shopping, and these are really adorable. We're engaged. Not understanding why she doesn't want these. They're really cute. They even have like some other ones like this. Those big. I think your toe is like right here. Yeah, these are cute. You don't want to try them on?
No.
They're really pretty. Okay.
Yeah, no, I want them.
So these were 15 if she wanted them. So if you're ever in the Richmond, Virginia area or the Colonial Heights area in Virginia, be sure to stop at this Puerto Rican bakery and cafe, where they are a bakery, cafe, and a restaurant. Their restaurant was really well put together. I ended up getting a apple empanada and two the macaroons, as well as 6 empanadas, chicken flavored. So on the inside of these, there was chicken and other stuff mixed into this empanada. They are definitely amazing. I got 3 for myself and 3 for Charles, and we had those for dinner, but I just had to have one on the way home. Next, we stopped at a store called Blue Streak Liquidations. You guys can look that up and go find it. It is just a store where you go through a bunch of things that have been marked down and sent over to this store, and they have different deals for each day of the week. When we went Saturday, it was $8 day, which meant that $8 per how many ever items is what you get charged. So, you can also find a bunch of great toys in there and other things. And so then we ended up heading back to where I live at, and my mom spent the night and the kiddos stayed with her. And I spent some time over with my family as well. Came in here for a milk tea for Cam. Alright, so yesterday was just a quick outing where we went to a Blue Streak Liquidation, where it's just like they bag it up, like grocery bags, I guess smaller items they bag up together, And so they charge you like $8 per whatever you find. Not whatever you find, but it's very weird. I ended up like spending $78 on a whole bag worth of stuff, which was, like I said, just the weird part. If this is supposed to be liquidation stuff, and most of the tags are like still on this stuff, it shouldn't be $8, like per whatever. But anyways, we end up going to Gabe's as well and trying to find like some back to school clothes for the kids. Of course, my daughter is just so picky. My son, he's just not interested. The normal. But anyways, we also I ended up getting some Puerto Rican food for dinner, which was just amazing. So I got some chicken empanadas, or I guess you can call them polo empanadas. And then we came back to town. We ended up having to go to Kroger, so I ended up getting some groceries, which I really need to go to the grocery store today. But it's just not gonna happen. So yeah. But anyways, my kids spent the night with my mom because they wanted to, so I'm gonna head over to pick them up, and then she'll probably end up taking me back home, as it is definitely time to give her car back, and I get to start enjoying mine again. So thanks guys so much for watching. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I just wanted to show you guys a day in my life of getting out to finally do something. So yeah, make sure you give this video a thumbs up, and make sure that you're subscribed to my channel so that you don't miss